Alright, here we have to factor 16 minus 49w squared. And I don't know if you recognize this, but it is a difference of squares. And that rule is a squared minus b squared factors into a plus b times a minus b. So we need a subtraction in the middle, which we have, and we need two things squared. So here we have 4 squared minus 7w squared. So in my thing up here, I have a equaling 4 and b equals 7w. So if that's the case, if I want to relate it to the difference of squares formula, all I have to do is drop that a and b in the appropriate places. So I have something squared minus something else squared. So I just identify those parts, and putting it in, I will have 4 plus 7w. That's my a plus b. And then 4 minus 7w. That's my a minus b. And then I fit the formula perfectly.